It's the Texas weather discussion video for Thursday, the last day of meteorological spring. For Thursday, May the 31st, I'm Donovan Neal. Obviously, we continue with our continued hot pattern. We could actually hit 100 for the first time starting Saturday. In fact, a cold front may actually come through on Saturday evening, which could help us get some isolated showers and storms going through. In fact, let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view this morning. A pretty classic summertime look here. We have an upper ridge building over pretty much over Texas, while we have a tropical air mass to the east of us. Temperatures as of 9:01 a.m. mostly in the upper 70s to low 80s this morning, and we'll be in the mid to upper 90s later today. And take a look across the watch warning map. We have heat advisories being issued for the big country in West Texas, areas just to the east of El Paso. We have 4 of our counties in that heat advisory near Jacksboro, Young's, Palo Pinto, Jack and Stevens counties, and that runs until 7 p.m. Saturday, where heat index values will be near 105 to potentially around 110. So we'll have to watch for the potential for some excessive heat in those areas. In terms of severe weather, main issues with severe weather stays well to the northeast of us near the Mississippi Valley and the lower Ohio Valley, and just to the south of the Great Lakes. Tomorrow we have an enhanced risk of severe storms for the central high plains, but down here we have a marginal risk for severe storms around Fort Stockton, Midland, Lubbock, around Amarillo, and some parts of West Texas, and around Childress, where they could see some isolated wind and hail threats. And on day 3, which is Saturday, that risk of severe weather stays well to the east of us. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday of next week. And down here, most of us stay dry throughout the next 7 days, though we could see some isolated development this weekend and maybe into early parts of next week. So let's go on to the model output. Let's go on to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. You can see we have broad ridging pretty much taking shape for much of the central and eastern part of the United States, and down here as a result of that we pretty much stay dry. Again, mostly sunny conditions. Highs should be well in the upper 90s. Same thing on Friday. Tomorrow, the first day of meteorological summer, also the first day of the 2018 Atlantic hurricane season. And on Saturday, we pretty much stay dry, but we'll still be mostly sunny with highs pretty much around the triple digits. And we could see record temperatures with highs around 104 to 105. The previous record was around 100 degrees set back in 1998. So we'll have to watch for some excessive heat conditions. And on Sunday, with the cold front coming through, Saturday evening, early Sunday morning, we could see an isolated shower or two try to spark Sunday morning, or very early Sunday morning. But for the rest of the day, we'll continue to be mostly sunny with highs in the mid 90s. And here's Monday of next week. That some affection from that cold front sticks around here. It will continue to be partly cloudy, highs in the mid 90s. Same thing on Tuesday, we could see some isolated development. And on Wednesday, we pretty much stay drier. Highs go back to the triple digits after that cold front comes through. And here's a week from today, Thursday the 18th of June. We have that 594 heat ring building right on top of us, and down here we stay dry. As a result of that, highs still remain in the triple digits. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday the 10th of June. 594 heat bubble stays well to the west of us out in West Texas, but we still stay very dry and very hot. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, but general consensus here, highs stay in the upper 90s to the low 100s, and lows stay in the upper 70s to low 80s. Very classic summertime pattern. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes in the blog. Next video here should be posted at around 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.